YouTube? It's your boy B Smooth, and we back at it again. As you can see, we're inside the tent. So, let's just go to, got my little niece and nephew and them up there just playing and whatnot. As y'all can see, there's a lot of stuff been changed on the car. It's just a little update. Man, I still need tires. Come to find out, this car got a big ass gear. So we're gonna change the gear. Look at that, just peek through that little hole. Little nephew out there crying like hell. Motor in and all that good stuff. I tried to rewire the lights back up. They're working, but I'm probably gonna end up getting another Hornets. I mean, it's so much stuff that this car need. I just found out a little smaller problem. I thought it was a exhaust leak, but I think that one of the lifters is actually bad. I know I cleaned it out some. Got all the little 50 ass shit out of here. Actually cleaned out pretty decent for right now until I can get everything else situated. As you can see, just she fired right up. Did change the radio out. Just because I had to land around and I get bored as hell. So all that been changed out. I mean, shit, everything been done. But as y'all can hear, I'm not quite sure if that exhaust kick or lift. So, to make things better on my end, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the cam, lifters, and everything on it. Because we know it run good. So, a little lifter ain't never hurt nobody. But I did hook the lights up, like I said. So, I got all the lights on the dash working, gas hand, all that working. You know, I even got the little dash light lighting up, interior lights and everything working. Tail lights working and shit. But as you can see, that one bright and this one dim. The Wild Hornets was totally screwed, so I got to change a lot on them. I got signal lights and all that working, cause all of it was destroyed, so all of it working now. But it's still a lot to do, a long way to go. Like I say, it's a process. It's not something that I'm gonna be able to do overnight. So I'm just basically just taking my time, just being honest for real. I mean, like I say, it's nothing major. I got the windshield wipers back working. I got to put that wiper arm back on, but I got them back working. Also got the blower motor working. I know it makes some kind of noise when you turn it on, but it's working. As you can see, working, and that's really why I was interested in. So all of that working. Like I say, majority of everything working. Sitting light, man, I even got a cruise control working on this motherfucker. I mean, that's just how I want to keep it. It's still, like I said, a big ass work in progress. So it's not nothing that I'm gonna be able to fix over time. But, you know, right now, we currently still just working on it as we go. So that's the only thing we can do is just keep going slowly. Got someone calling me, trying to interrupt my nice video. Be alright. But it cleaned out pretty good. I was gonna clean this carpet. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it all out. Seats are salvageable. Door panels are salvageable and all that. Headliner, so I thought about clean the seats up and everything. Got little marks here and there, nothing major that I'm too much worried about. I thought about doing gray and black through the whole inside. I want to hit it back with another gray. silver. I was looking up this color on titanium silver. I think I'm gonna hit it back with titanium silver, black rallies. Tail lights, I'm gonna replace them. Tires, they ain't gonna be on here too much longer because they get on my damn nerves. And plus, I've been burning out. I'm gonna do a video of that, man. I tell you, man, she gets sideways, man. But that lifter tick really bothered me. So for right now, she gonna sit down. But I got all the plugs and everything back in. I gotta still clean all this up. But there's no point of me cleaning it up right now when I know we're gonna eventually end up doing a cam swap on it. I'm gonna probably get someone else to do it. I'm not that great at adjusting lifters. So without me being that great at adjusting lifters, I already put that into somebody else's hand and not mine. But otherwise, she coming together pretty good. So let's get it. Long way to go, but we're gonna get there, man. One step at a time. The air shots, I thought there was some good, they're not. I should have knew that. So I fucked up and went and bought an airline kit that I don't need. Got the doors closed and just easy. No more squeaky, just closed and it flush. I mean, it's a lot of little shit I've been doing. You know, little shit that I could do myself that don't involve me spending money. So, like I say, still got to get a fender. Still got to get two fenders and still got to get a hood. Because the reason why I keep saying that, because there's so many bends in it. And I ain't trying to put that much work on the body, man. And then that piece down there just, oh my God. And then the hood just so wavy. Bend here, rust, bends. Kind of like the car was in some damn hail damage. And then back here, I got a little bend here. There, I had to figure that out. But and then a couple of bends in the door and stuff. So first thing first, man, get it up and running right. Get it to the point where I could drive it anywhere I want to go. And then next thing on the list, we're gonna go ahead and do the body work. My interior gonna down to be legit before I even do the body work. I'm not fucked up about how it look right now. I'm fucked up about how it run. It's just like anything in life. You can have the best looking damn thing and the bit be a piece of shit. You feel me? You can have the baddest bitch out here and she ain't worth a dime. I'm just being 100. So main thing to get her running, get her hooking right, man. I mean, she hooking. Oh yeah, riding down the road, damn brake caliper locked up on some of the bitch. Chain the brakes and the damn brake caliper locked up on the bitch. It'll move now, but the bitch locked up on me, man. The bitch just was dragging down the road, just dragging. So yeah. Probably later on, man, after I check the brakes and everything, I might do my quick little burnout clip in that major. So, hey, it is what it is, man. But let's get it, man. Like I say, don't forget to like, subscribe, man. Your boy out of this bitch, man. Let's get it.
Wake up in the morning, thank the Lord I'm here another day. Cause I know this shit could've went another way. They ain't to my shit, I'm going the other way. When they gave up on this shit, I just kept going and going. I'm putting this shit up in they fucking face. When my mama left, I swear my mind ain't been right ever since. I be putting it real shit up in these hits. If I don't do nothing else, you better believe I'm going to get a check. Like the beach, when I come around her, that shit make her wet. I'ma just keep my cool, niggas waiting on me to act out. How you mad at me because you owe me money, man, y'all niggas shout out. Taking my counting for weakness, don't know why you do that, you know how I'm coming, it's personal. Telling me lies and want me to really believe it, I'm thinking it's clowns, it's personal. Okay, my number is still the same, you can hit me up. Saying I ain't lit enough, like saying God ain't good enough. That's cap. Why they be playing on my fucking name? Got me feeling like I'm Birdman. Niggas, they gotta be losing their mind for thinking I'm falling off. I ain't going.